focus was on air superiority. Here it comes from the right, the F-15. Gentlemen, the McDonnell Douglas Boeing F-15. Doing about 1,800 miles an hour. That's what you call ripping. .120 AMRAAM missile. That Sidewinder is especially effective in close combat because it's a heat sink. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Here he comes again. Here's the F-15 in a high-speed low. All right, ladies and gentlemen, get those cameras, camcorders, and your watercolor sets out. The F-15 is setting up for a photo pass. So here we go. Bet you it's going to be loud too. Nothing about this airplane is quiet.